10. И сюда даже прилетело.
Ukraine has stepped up its attacks on Russian territory this year, targeting both energy sites it says supply the Russian army and towns and villages just across the border. In the Voronezh region, Ukrainian drones hit an ammunition depot. Secondary detonations are heard. Several drones were detected and destroyed overnight by air defense systems above the Voronezh region. Regional Governor Alexander Gusev wrote on Telegram. Their falling debris set off a fire in a depot in the Podgorensky district where explosives began to detonate, Gusev said, adding that there were no indications anybody had been hurt. But detonations has been going on for hours now. Residents are being evacuated, traffic is blocked, and a state of emergency has been introduced, the head of the region said. Russian Telegram channels report that the ammunition warehouse in Voronezh region of Russia that was attacked by drones last night stored surface-to-surface and surface-to-air missiles, shells for tanks and artillery, boxes of ammunition for firearms, etc. From there, they were supplied to the Russian military on the front lines. Residents of the Bilhorod region have started marking their houses with BNR to avoid destruction. This initiative, seen in the border village of Bezimen in the Grey Voronsky district, is spreading online. Local public groups share leaflets, allegedly dropped by Ukrainian drones, advising residents not to allow Russian soldiers into their homes and to mark their roofs with BNR, meaning fighters not stationed. Explosions in occupied Melitopol. A strong fire happened shortly after the arrivals. Local Telegram channels report at least 3 explosions in occupied Melitopol in Zaporizhzhia region. Allegedly, an ammunition depot near the airfield was attacked. Something's burning, something's even detonating. Local Telegram channels report from occupied Melitopol. Local authorities say it is burning grass. Yesterday, Ukrainian forces targeted and struck 2 military facilities in occupied Donetsk region. In Debaltsev, they hit a logistics center where Russian forces stored tank equipment and ammunition. In Novolohanska, they destroyed the expensive Russian automated jamming station R-330Z Zhitel. Impressive and lengthy detonation of a Russian T-90 Proryev breakthrough. Tank worth $4.5 million. Filmed by a pilot of the attack drone company of the 72nd Separate Mechanized Brigade named after Black Zaporozhets. A Moscow charitable foundation donated 20 bulletproof vests with wooden plates to Russian military personnel. Good job.
Чё там? Ни хрена, это чё?
Дрова с собой.
Я понял, это от деревянных пуль защищает.
Ну да,
Если деревянными пулями будет или с рогатки.
я думаю, что такое
Ёб
легкое, блядь.
твою мать.
Заебись.
Пиздец, надо показать, блядь.
Защита нахуй.
Over 120 of about 500 MiG-31 aircraft remain in Russia. In 2023, the military balance reported that Russia had 117 MiG-31BM and 12 MiG-31K interceptor aircraft, a total of 129 aircraft, but this figure does not account for aircraft destroyed by the Ukrainian Defense Forces during 2023-2024. According to Defense Express, the total production of MiG-31s of all modifications from 1975 to 1994 was 519. Over the past 30 years, the Russian MiG-31 fleet has been reduced fourfold. At the same time, new airplanes of this type are not produced. At first glance, the decrease in the number of MiG-31s can be explained by their service period. However, Russians reduced the operational life of the MiG-31 by their negligence. Thus, aircraft technicians talk about lack of shelters, even for weather protection. This experience has taught the Russians nothing. For example, MiG-31s were based at Savazleka airfield back in the 1990s, but shelters and other infrastructure were not built there until 2021. P.S. Ukrainians have a special hatred for the Russian MiG-31K aircraft. They are carriers of Kinzhal missiles, and when they take off, an air raid alert is announced all over Ukraine. It can last for hours and happen multiple times per day, disrupting everyday life very significantly.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.